Bikes are no longer just a means of getting from one place to another. Today, they stand as symbols of innovation and advanced engineering. Modern bikes are packed with technology once reserved for high-end cars. Don't believe it, see for yourself. Bike on Kit. No wires, no complex installation, no bulky batteries. The Bike on Kit transforms your regular bike into an electric one in seconds. Just attach the compact motor, insert the battery into your bottle holder, and you're ready to ride. Enjoy 250 watts of power in European models, and 750 watts for the United States market, with a range of up to 32 kilometers. It's the simplest way to electrify your ride without replacing your bike. Async A1. With a powerful 1.2 kilowatt motor, a top speed of 56 kilometers per hour, and an impressive range of up to 240 kilometers, the Async A1 Pro blurs the line between electric bike and motorcycle. Whatever you call it, there's no denying its performance and its price. Available on eBay for around $5,000, the A1 is as bold as it is capable. E-Rocket. The E-Rocket is a bold hybrid between a bicycle and a motorcycle. While pedaling doesn't power the rear wheel directly, it controls the speed, giving riders a natural cycling feel with electric muscle. It reaches speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and offers a range of 130 kilometers on a single charge. Futuristic, fast, and efficient, the E-Rocket is priced at $14,730. reTyre 1. reTyre 1 introduces the world's first zip-on bike tire system. Start with a smooth base tire, then zip on a specialized tread layer in seconds, ideal for adapting to changing conditions like snow or ice in winter. No need to swap entire tires, just zip and go. A set, including the base tire and a winter tread layer, is available for $79. Laserlight Core. Cyclists will never be invisible in blind spots again with the Laserlight Core. This innovative light projects a bright bike symbol 6 meters ahead of you, making you up to 32% more visible to drivers. Built for all weather conditions, it runs for up to 41 hours on a single charge. Originally launched on Kickstarter, the Laserlight Core was available starting at just $59. Echo Pro. The Echo Pro is a next-generation helmet designed for safety and comfort. With just 2 button presses, it automatically adjusts to fit your head perfectly. It features a smart brake light that brightens when you brake suddenly, increasing your visibility on the road. The built-in battery offers up to 6.5 hours of use on a single charge. Early buyers grabbed the Echo Pro for just $112. Tiny tire pump. Weighing just 130 grams, lighter than a phone. The tiny tire pump packs a serious punch. It can inflate tires up to nearly 7 bar around 100 pounds per square inch, and it features a built-in display to show real-time pressure. A bright integrated light with 3 modes adds extra safety and visibility. 1 full charge is enough to inflate 2 wheels, making it perfect for on-the-go cyclists. Available for $64. Tannus Armour. Tannus Armour fits snugly between your bike's tire and inner tube, reducing the risk of punctures by up to 90%. Made from 15mm thick cellular foam, it's built to absorb impacts and pressure with ease. It's tough enough to let you keep riding even on a flat, without damaging your rim. Perfect for added protection on rugged trails or city streets. Each insert is priced at $40. Orgo. The Orgo is a compact folding electric bike designed to fit in a backpack. Weighing just 11 kilograms, it's perfect for commuting, quick errands, or grocery runs. Despite its small size, the Orgo reaches speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour and offers a range of 19 kilometers on a single charge. Available on Kickstarter starting at $595, it's a smart solution for urban mobility. Milkit Booster. Tubeless fans, this one's for you. The Milkit Booster is a compact, lightweight inflator weighing just 150 grams. It fits conveniently in a water bottle cage and delivers up to 11 bar around 160 pounds per square inch without needing a compressor. All you need is a small bike pump to get your tubeless tires inflated quickly and efficiently. Available for $50, it's a must-have for tubeless tire riders. Parkis. Parkis is a game changer for bike storage. With a single, effortless motion, it lifts and holds your bike up to 30 kilograms vertically, saving space without any heavy lifting. Perfect for garages or apartments, Parkis reduces your bike's footprint by up to 40%, making storage neat and efficient. Available for $592. Ebilly Electric Repair Stand. The Ebilly electric repair stand is built for speed and efficiency, lifting bikes at an impressive rate of 10 meters per second. Ideal for fast-paced workshops. It supports bikes weighing up to 40 kilograms and features a smart protection system to prevent overloading and ensure safe operation. Engineered for performance and durability, the Ebilly is available for $4,967. Lionbox. Lionbox ends the hassle of searching for e-bike charging stations. Compatible with 95% of e-bike batteries, it's one of the most energy-efficient charging solutions available, delivering a strong 4-amp current for fast, reliable charging. Perfect for hotels, cafes, offices, and malls, Lionbox makes it easy to set up convenient, high-performance charging infrastructure. Pricing starts at $958. Cruise Bike Q45. The Cruise Bike Q45 is built for serious touring and long-distance comfort. Featuring a 165mm coil shock and an adjustable resin seat that's 220 grams lighter than the aluminum version, it delivers a smooth and efficient ride. With 11 speeds, the Q45 is ready to tackle hilly terrain with ease. Designed for performance and endurance, it's a top choice for recumbent bike enthusiasts. Available for $3,697. Helix Twin Steer Bike. The Helix Twin Steer Bike breaks all the rules by letting you steer both the front and rear wheels independently. Want to ride sideways? Go for it. Spin in place? No problem. It's not just a bike, it's a personal circus on wheels. But freedom comes with a learning curve. With no gears and a steep balance challenge, mastering the Helix takes skill, patience, and a sense of humor, especially during your first 100 wobbly rides. Priced at $363, it's a wild ride for the bold and curious. Spring Drive. Chains and belts are fading. Spring Drive is the next evolution. Using nylon strings that wrap and unwrap around pulleys, it delivers a ride that's smoother, quieter, and faster. With 19 instantly shiftable speeds, no need for lubrication, and string lifespans of up to 2,000 kilometers at just $10 each. It's a low-maintenance, high-efficiency system. The City Spring Drive bike, featuring this futuristic setup, has been spotted on sale for $1,141. Yerka. The Yerka bike redefines security. Its frame doubles as a lock, making it useless to thieves even if stolen. Break the lock and you break the bike itself. That's the genius of Yerka. There's no point in stealing it. And if you lose your keys? Simply order or print a new set through the Yerka website. This innovative anti-theft solution was available on Indiegogo for just $399. NXS Kit. The NXS Kit brings wireless shifting to every rider. It includes a handlebar-mounted shifter and a rear wheel unit. Communicating seamlessly over Bluetooth. Supporting up to 32 speeds, it's fully programmable for a personalized ride experience. Designed currently for mountain bikes, a road bike version is on the way. The production kit is priced at $179, bringing high-tech shifting to everyday cyclists. Switch Max Plus. With the Switch Max Plus kit, turning your regular bike into an electric bike is quick and easy. No major modifications needed. The kit includes just 3 components: a motorized wheel, a pedal sensor, and a battery. Once installed, you'll be cruising at speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. The base kit starts at $729 and offers a range of up to 32 kilometers. It's a clean, efficient way to electrify your ride with minimal effort. Convoy. The Convoy may look like a regular bike trailer, but it's hiding a secret, a 250-watt motor that gives your ride a serious boost. With it, you can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour with minimal pedaling effort. Its built-in battery provides up to 30 kilometers of range on a single charge, making it perfect for heavy hauls, commutes, or errands. Expected to be priced at $2,500, the Convoy is already available for pre-order.